Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I want to show you a couple cool things on this new platform for Apex Trader funding that is wealthcharts.com. One of the biggest challenges for both myself and my students, quite honestly, was getting all of the Apex stuff set up. You had to go through Rhythmic, you had to go through Apex, then you had to do NinjaTrader or Tradeovate, whatever you wanted to use. But there was a lot of steps and it was very complex. I will tell you this, that in my trade school program where I was teaching students from like zero to learning how to trade, just getting set up was one of the like longest portions of the class because it took so long. This makes it so much easier. I have literally just logged in to my Wealth Charts account and look at this. There's already an option. You just pick Apex Trader Funding. You'll select which account you want. Now, these are all test accounts, and I'm going to show you how you can get this for free. So I'll just pick Test Apex Mindy K1. Cool. Log in. All right. Now, watch this. If we go to the main menu here, we click that and type in Apex, look at this. These things are already set up for Apex specifically. So I haven't tried all of these, but I've been using this Apex multi-use. I can just click that and bam. Now I have over here my trade copier that's already built in. That's not something that you need to purchase separately. I have a dome and I can like just get rid of that. I don't actually use that, but I can see all of my test accounts. There's 20 test accounts in here. And like I said, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get access to this. Okay, and check this out. If we go over to paper portfolio, now I don't have any positions open right now. I'll show you one in a sec just to show you that liquidation line. They changed it a little bit from my last video. So here are orders. These are tests that I did earlier today. This is the history. And here's what's really cool. Okay, so I have my connection, I have active, I have my display name, my balance. Now, this is the only one I was trading on this morning. So $1,602.14. Woohoo. But look at this. It shows me my target balance. That would be to pass my Apex evaluation. And if we cruise over here, I have my trailing threshold, which again, we'll also be able to see on the chart now, and all of this other information. Now, you don't have to have all of these columns if you don't want them. I would clean mine up quite a bit because as those of you who've been following me for a while, you know that I do not like a lot of stuff on my charts or on my screen. I like it to be as simple as possible. So right now, this is all a little complex for my taste. But of course, you will be able to make it how you want it to be. So like I said, we have that built-in trade copier. Amazing. We have a paper portfolio that tells us all the information that we need right there. And let's go over here and look at how this liquidation thing works. Let me move this thing over. Don't need all of that right now. And let's scooch this in a little bit. All right, cool. So I have my chart trader over here. I have my account selected. And if I wanted to put that on over on my trade copier, I could do that across all 20 accounts. But I'm just going to show you one for now. Let's put in a simple bracket. I'm going to select both take profit and a stop loss. Obviously, you guys know this is a fake account. So I'm just going to put in 100 here. We don't need a special stop strategy, but if you wanted a trailing stop or break even, you could do that. Time and force. It's always going to be day with Apex because you can't hold it overnight, but I'm just used to using GTC, so I always do that. And we are set up with our bracket. I do not like trade confirmations, so I always turn that off in advance. Otherwise, when you go to place the trade, it's like, do you really want to get in this? And it's like, yes, you've already missed half the move by the time you confirm it. So let me put on here what I want to be trading. I'm going to type in NQZ4 for the NASDAQ futures. All right, cool. We've got that. And market's kind of chopping around right now, but let's just say, as an example, we wanted to go short. So I'm going to just sell at the market. Okay, now here's my liquidation line. That is the Apex trailing threshold. So as we hopefully cruise lower, I'll just give this a whole lot of space to see if it will actually do something. What we'll see is that this liquidation line will move along with our unrealized profit. So if that price continues to fall, which right now, of course, the market's like, haha, you want to show something? We're not going to do anything. All right, cool. Anyway, what you'll see is this liquidation line getting closer and closer and closer and closer as it follows down your unrealized profit. Now, as you guys know, we've talked about this many times. When you are in a loss, like right now, I'm down over 6 points, that doesn't move because it doesn't go lower. It's always going to be the same amount there. And that could be confusing looking at it on a chart when I'm saying lower. What I mean is give you more space from where you're at as your entry to where that liquidation line is. So lower in terms of amount, not lower on the chart. I'll have to figure out a better way to talk about that because, like I said, that could be a little confusing. But in this case, when we are shorting, we want the price to go down. Thereby, the liquidation would also go down, 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 following along, ideally toward our limit order, which is our target. So let me actually get out of this one and see if we can get something so I can actually show you. Okay, I flattened that. Cool. I'm not sure why that liquidation line stays on there. It shouldn't. So let's see what happens when I buy at the market. Okay, cool. That moved my liquidation line down here. And okay, that's one of the things that they are asking us to test for. Like, why is that liquidation line still on the chart after the trade is closed? There may be a valid reason for that. I just don't know what it is. So these are things I might note and let the team of developers know about just to say, hey, is this how it's supposed to be? Is this how you guys wanted it? And go from there so that when this all goes live and you get your 3 free evaluations from Apex, you'll be ready to rock and the software will work as it should. But for the time being, let me show you what is going on over here. If you go to wealthcharts.com/Mindy, that's with an IE, MINDIE, as a Mindykiness student, we're offering the chance to earn 3 free evaluation accounts on a next generation qualification platform. That would be WealthCharts. So, what they're asking for are beta testers. They want to have you guys test out this WealthCharts software for free and you can sign up to do that here. Now, here's how this program works. You're going to complete the form above. They're going to review the request and activate the demo accounts in the order that the requests are received. So get in there. Step 2 is you'll log in and provide feedback about the trading execution and overall user experience. You'll get complimentary access to WealthChart's ultimate level platform during the testing period. So that I believe is their highest level platform in terms of all the cool functionality that they have. And then this is the best part for us as Apex traders. Get access to 3 complimentary evaluation accounts from Apex Trader Funding as a thank you for your intensive use and review of the next generation platform after the testing period ends. So there you have it. I have a link for you down below if you'd like to become one of the beta testers for this program. Like I said, it looks like there are a lot of cool features that are either already there or in the works. So, this hopefully, my hope with all of this is that it will make it easier for you guys to one, pass your evaluations, and two, then actually get to the point of payout. So, that would be the goal. So, test it out today, see if you like it. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.